Good morning everyone. Good morning my dear students. Once again, I am welcoming you in my channel English with Shiv. I am very much pleased to see the likes, the subscriptions and also hoping and accepting more and more. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please press the bell icon also to get the new notifications. Day by day I am trying to provide the new videos to give the new information about the literature of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and also the language part. So let's proceed for today's class. Yesterday we learned in our part 1 of prepositions. I hope that to see that video you have probably well learned. Don't worry if you didn't see that. In my description box there is also the link of that part 1 prepositions. So here is the second part of preposition. Let's start this. See the prepositions part 2. As yesterday, as you are knowing that there are 3 parts of prepositions. Prepositions of directions, prepositions of place, prepositions of time. Approximately I told about the direction yesterday in my part 1. Today here is the part of preposition, part of time. Here I took first of all at. In at, so many confusions are there among yourselves that which type of preposition or in which sentence we will use at. So here are the points where we can put at. Precise points. There are the precise points where we will put at. Proximity in time, proximity in place, proximity in value, proximity in aim and direction. So here are the 4 points where we can use or put at. See the example, it will be more clear to you. First, proximity in time. I teach you daily at 8 a.m. So here 8 a.m. is the proximity of time, means it is sure, it is confirmed that daily I teach you at 8 a.m. This is the proximity, this is the confirmation of time that at 8 a.m. I am here to teach. See the second one, proximity in place. We live at Muzaffarpur. See, proximity in place. Tomorrow also we add it at the time of place from or to also. But see here, there is the proximity, means the fixed time is there, the place is there, fixing is there, that we are not moving from here. We are not going from here or we are not coming for some little period, but we are here, we are settling here. This is confirmation that we live here in Muzaffarpur, at Muzaffarpur. When there will be the small town, means there will be the comparison or the description about the small city or small town, then we will write here in. But here only the description about Muzaffarpur among the all big cities and all the states, so we will put at here. Clear? Third, proximity in value. Value also. We discussed about the value also yesterday. Where we put that? In two preposition. But that was also up and down values. But here it is fixed. See, I bought the rice at 40 rupees per kg. Here I bought the rice at proximity in the aim and direction. I look at you. This is the aim. This is the direction. It just shows the stareness. When I am staring you, here I look at you means it is confirmed that I am looking at you only, and there is the aim, there is the direction. So today's second preposition is by. We will use by in these 3 points. Nearness of some kind means when something will be near anywhere. Like first is nearness in place, means any person or anything will be near to the another person or another place. Like see the example. I sit by you. I sit by you means I am sitting near you. Nearness in time, when the time will be near to do any work. We also use from to, but there are little differences. You have to concentrate on them. See the example of by, nearness in time. You have to learn this by evening. By evening means you have to learn this by evening. Before evening you can also learn, means till evening. After evening you cannot allow, you cannot dare to learn this thing. Means by before the evening. For the vehicles, I park my car by your office. I park my car by your office. It is confirmed, it is showing that I have put my car, I have parked my car near your office. So here are the nearness, here are the connectivity of some things to the place, time and vehicles. So here are the uses of by. So our third use of preposition is on. How, where, we will, put on. Listen, there are so many of prepositions which we have to give the concentration to full it. On is also one of them. To show the surface. When we will use to show the surface, the activity, the thing on related to the surface. Example, he puts his pen on the table. Means when something is touchable, when the thing is there to touch the surface. So here the pen is on the table, the pen is touching the surface of the table. Just like it. The stick also, it is on my palm. The stick is also on the surface of my palm. So here we will use on. Second, to show the days and dates. Whenever we will show the specific dates, there also we will mention on. They will meet us on Sunday. So here is a specific date or date. Date means it is confirmed that on Sunday they will come here to meet us. Next, to show the machines. Related the activity with the machines like phones, televisions, etc. They are used to see the serials on phone. So here is also clear that it is necessary that they are there to use the serials to see the serials on phone. Clear? So next, to show the body parts. The teacher slept on his students' cheek. Here the slap, the hand, the palm is touched with the student's cheek. So here the teacher is showing that he has put the slap on his student's cheek. To show the state, any condition, there also we will mention put on. I show the preposition on the board. This is my condition, this is my statement that I am here to show you, to explain you the prepositions on this board. Clear? I think there will not be any doubt to mention, to make the exercises related to these prepositions. So here are some other points related with upon. The first one is to happen something immediately. When we are ready to do something, all the things which will happen immediately, there also we will mention upon. Like we are going to shop upon marriage. Yeah, the verb is to do immediately. Means we have to do the shopping immediately related with marriage. So here also we wrote upon. Second thing, to happen something gradual. Means the things which will happen gradually, there we will also write upon. Like he spent time to learn tables upon book. The tables were written on the book, so he was gradually learning the things. So the tables are there. If the tables will be there on the board on video, then it will not be the gradual verb. Importance between nouns. I traveled miles upon miles. Which parts of the speech miles are? Here miles are written. These are nouns. So between the nouns we will write upon. It is necessary, it is the importance of nouns. Next is movement. The child sweeps upon the floor. The small child is not able to move, so he is gradually moving. He is sweeping upon the floor. So here is the movement, so upon is written. You are seeing here some words are written. Depend, congratulated, experience, happen, insist. These are the words where we can also write upon and on. But upon will be in the manner of formal, and on will be in informal manner. Means when there will be any informality, we will use on with these words. Experience, happen, insist, depend, congratulate. then we will write upon. Now let's see the uses of in. Here are maximum uses of in. First, in big places. Mainly we will mention in the interior sites. When the things will be inside, when the things will be hidden, there we will write in. First is in big places. Before this, we told you that at will be used in place. But if there will be any description about the big place, there we will write in. So I live in Delhi. So I think this is clear now. With the place Delhi, Delhi is big one, and we wrote here in. With the state of time, we will meet in morning. We have suggested that in morning only we will meet there. With the state means the feelings. I am in debt. Debt means tarjuma. I am in debt. This is the feeling, this is the state of the person in his use there. Inside. Something will be inside. This is so easy. You are also known about this. The child is in his room. Next is dress. Whenever there is a description about the dress with the person, there also we will write in. He is in disguise of clown. Disguise of clown, he has put the dress of clown. So he is in disguise. He is in the position of the clown. So he is related with the clown. So he is mentioning the dress of clown here in his direction. He lives in east. East is direction. If you will write there, he is living from the east. Yeah, he is coming from the east. So from if there is they are using, from is means the something is there which is coming to us. Business. My father is in army. Or his father is in business. So if the relation will be there with the business, there will also we will use in. The most important preparation is also here. Now we start with union of some kind. When the unity will be there, there will also be used with. Like I am playing with you. Or you can see more examples. I am teaching you with chalk. You are learning with my videos. So here is the unity, here is the connection. There are also we will use with. Next is relation of quality. She is a girl with red hair. There is the quality of the girl. She is having red hair. So here we use with because it shows the quality, it shows the relation. Carry something. The thief relation which is carrying or which is being carried by the person. Here also we will write with. Next is instruments or materials. When the description, when the relation will be materials or description, there also we will write with. Like I poured the juice with ice in glass. So here is the relation with ice and juice. Here is the description about the materials. So with is related with ice and juice. Next is cause. If there will be any cause, we will write with. He is sick with fever. There is a reason, there is the cause of fevering. So with this written. Next is abstracts. Abstracts, the feelings, the states of the mind, of the body of any person. So there also we will write with. He is angry with his friend. So anger is abstract. He is angry with his friend. Here is the abstract noun. Here is the feeling of the person. So we write here with. We learn maximum size of prepositions. There are so many prepositions. We will gradually learn them. Till now, we will stop this. Bye bye. Goodbye.